Good morning.
Wait. Let's try that again.
Good morning to you and you and you and you and you. I'm back. Today is Vlogmas Day 17. And the fact that you guys are still tuning in and keeping up with me on a daily basis is so heartwarming and so much appreciated during this holiday season. You guys are definitely making me feel special, and I appreciate every single comment, every single like that you guys are dropping down below. Now, I just got notification that Justin's bookshelf has arrived. So where do you think I'm going? And where do you think you're going to? You're coming along with me. We're heading over to the house. I got a couple of things to do today, so whatever I do, you guys are gonna be coming too. All right, guys, I'm in the car and we are off and on our way to the house. I'm definitely not gonna miss those slow closing gates and slow opening gates. Man, it is 80 degrees right now. 80 degrees. All right, so I just arrived at Walmart. As much as I say I hate this place, I feel like I am here often. But honestly, the real reason why I don't like it is because it's a lot of stuff and you can never find any help when you need help. And also, they turned all of the regular cashiers into self-service. I mean, there are a couple registers that are open, but they're so few and far in between. It's like you get what you need, but then you can't even check out. So it's just always a struggle. But I will say that all Walmarts are not created equally. I do feel like some are a lot better than others, and you do get deals. So let's just go ahead and go in, grab what I need. I'm going to go in for a mop and to see if they have any ornaments left. I don't even want to hear it, okay? I know, we're getting that Christmas tree up either today or tomorrow. You'll see. It's going up one way or the other. I cannot believe it's December 17th and I do not have a tree up yet. That is quite ridiculous. Definitely ridiculous, but that's what happens when you're moving during the holiday season. We're gonna get it done. We are gonna get it done nevertheless. They don't have anything left. And look at this. Ain't nobody buying that. You see, so this is the problem. You come into Walmart for one thing, and then you start looking for other things. I'm like, dang, we do need a rug. So you see, I start looking for other things, but no. I need to stay on track. I came in here for a mop and to see if they have any other decorations. That is what I'm leaving with. This center here that says garden center was different. This was basically where they had all of the holiday items, but now it's back to the garden center. See, I hate when they have packets like this. Yes, it's good because everything is all in one place, but it's like, okay, I like these two, but I don't really like that. Like, what reindeer is that? Who is that? And this one's not bad, but this is like black, you know, like for Christmas, I don't like black wrapping. Maybe for an adult, you know, but not for Justy. So now I gotta sift through and look through these other ones that they have that is a little bit more kid friendly. And don't even say anything, because I know I didn't say I was coming in here for wrapping paper, but once I saw it, I said, I need to look and see. I don't know, which wrapping paper do you guys like? I'm gonna just go with something simple. How cute are these little cups? See, and this is perfect for those last minute gifts. If you want to personalize something for someone, get a cute little cup like this. A large one like this that has a bigger opening. You can put a gift card, candy, just little trinkets that they like. This is so cute. Okay, so there's still a couple of items left here. So I think I can grab some ornaments just from what is left. How cute is this to give to a friend? We've been friends for so long, I can't remember which of us is the bad influence. Too cute. See, this is what I was talking about. All of the regular registers are swapped out for self-service. So you see, all of this is self-service. Every single lane is self-service. So I'm back in the car from Walmart, and look at what I got. I am so happy because I got these snowflakes and I got these filler ornaments. So you guys would be so proud of me because I stayed on track. How cute is that sock? And you guys know we got the white Christmas tree, so these little ornaments will just bring a little bit of color. And how cute is this ornament? And then this was definitely for Justin. I kind of said, you know, we're going to start a little tradition. So it is for letters to Santa. So every year he'll be able to put his letters to Santa in this ornament holder. How cute is that? So I'm super excited that I stopped in. I'm on my way to the house now. In Justin's bedroom, I have the box cutter, I have the box, and we are going to go ahead and get into this unboxing for Justin's bookshelf. And I strategically placed the camera in an area where you can't see anything. And there are no giveaways for the theme. So don't forget, it's coming. Drop a comment down below if you know what the theme of Justin's bedroom is. Because I'm pretty sure somebody's going to get it. Somebody's going to get it down below. But let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got. The bookshelf that I decided to get for Justin is actually a white Sling bookshelf with blue canvas. Anytime you're opening up a box with a box cutter and it's furniture, clothes, honestly anything, because whatever you purchase, you don't want to have box cutter slits in there. So you just need to go around the sides and make sure that the box cutter is only going in between the box spaces. Now, canvas is always the way to go when you're dealing with smaller kids, in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the contents out of the box. I'm gonna read the directions, make sure I have all of the pieces, and then get to building. Okay, I'm back. So luckily, I have all of the pieces. Now it's time to start building. There's nothing worse than building an item 95% of the way, and then you realize you don't have a piece. So you learn from your mistakes and you never do it again. So before you start building, you make sure you have all of the pieces. It doesn't matter what you're building. Make sure you have all of the pieces. Put the stuff out of the way that you don't need. Looks like I only need one tool, which will be a screwdriver. So pretty easy. Let me go ahead and grab that. Then I'm going to start putting everything together. So I had to pause for a minute and go and get this bad boy. Because let me tell y'all, This is not it. This is not it. Not for this build. Because you have these wooden bars that don't even have ridges preset for the screws. Who did they think was gonna be using these? Much better. For step 4, which is the last step, you are just placing the drawers on the bottom of the bookshelf. From top to bottom. Now I'll just get a little scissors and cut off any loose strings that are hanging, and take the lint roller to get off any little lint that came from the packaging. So, how do I feel about the Walden white bookshelf with blue canvas? First of all, the instructions had no words. It was all pictures and letters, which is a plus, because that is a plus, because who really wants to sit there reading a whole pamphlet on how to? But at the same time, some things needed to be written down. Things like the wood is not going to have any ridges to allow you to screw it in. You're going to need a power tool is something that's big, because you sit there and you're struggling and it's just like, okay, well, I'm not doing this. How can I make this better? And boom, I went and I grabbed the power tool. Now, for the person that doesn't have a power tool, they're going to be stuck in the middle of their building because they started this thinking that they could do it with the materials that were given. And also, the screws themselves weren't the best quality for the amount of money that we paid for the bookshelf. But all in all, who's building a tree right now? Who? Not me. Not me. Not me. That Christmas tree will go up tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following along. Until tomorrow.